Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing this JSO multi-mode thumb grip set for the Switch 2. So I do want to thank JSO for actually gifting this to me. So these thumb grips, I have used thumb grips before for the Nintendo Switch 1, and I must say they actually are pretty useful, especially for games where it's like Mario Kart where you were constantly pressing on the joystick controller. So with these, you basically have three unique designs and they feel very, very good to the touch. But with these unique designs, they basically have an anti-slip texture so that your thumb doesn't roll over the actual Joy-Con when you're playing a game and such. This basically makes it so you have improved accuracy for when you're playing video games on the Nintendo Switch 2. But overall, this is the first design that we have here. And if you pop this one out, this is kind of like a lower or shorter design right over here. And then we have the third design, which is here as well. So if you're looking for a way to kind of just have a comfortable or a more enjoyable playing experience when it comes to holding onto the Joy-Con for the Switch 2, definitely check these out. These just fit right over the Joy-Con remote stick, and I've had no problems with it whatsoever.